Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing a good job. We have seen the last session's working capital theory aspect, operating cycles and methods to reduce the operating cycle, etc. In this case, now we are going to work it out an example, and I hope it will be useful to you, and you can learn a lot from this. This is application of the theory here. Okay. So in this case, there is a company called by name ABC Limited, and they are producing their goods 5 lakh units. That is 5 units. Then sales price is rupees 2 per unit. Sales price is rupees 2 per unit. So sales cost is equal to production, sales units equal to production units. That means whatever they produce 5 lakhs sold. That means production level, sales level is the same. 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Okay. Then production cost, materials per unit rupees 1, labor 40 paisa, and overheads 35 paisa. This is what they are given. Okay. Then now operating cycle they are given. Operating cycle already discussed. Raw material 36 days, raw material required for 36 days for production is to be kept in the godown. Okay. Then finished goods 15 days of finished goods sales of 15 days sales has to be kept in the godown for sales purposes to meet exigency. Okay. Then Sunday credit does 60 days. So they are giving you credit of 60 days. They are not giving lesser 60 days. And book days, you are giving 45 days. Always remember this, our credit should be shorter and you have to get a longer credit from your suppliers so that we can receive the cash and pay to the syndicators. There will not be any cash problem. Okay. Then book dates, okay, already told. Then stock in process, in the machine, the process, it will take 18 days. Then again, lag in payment of wages. 1 month wages, we are just deferring, postponing it. 1 month. So today you are just paying in the next month, 1 month deferring. Then again, cash balance exigency, they are giving 25,000. Okay. Now how you have to arrive at the production cost, you have to arrive at material is 1 rupee, labor is 40 paisa, overhead is 30 paisa, 1 rupee 70 paisa per unit cost. Sales price is 2 lakhs. That is profit. Difference between these two is profit. So what is the total cost of production? So how many units are being produced? 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs into 1.75 is 8 lakhs 75,000 is the total cost of production for 5 lakh units. First step. Second, labor is involved. What is the total labor, total wages in a year is equal to 5 lakh units into 0.40. Okay, this is a labor point. So total wages is 2 lakhs per year. Okay. Now we will have to work out what is the current assets, what is the current liabilities, how much money is blocked in current assets, you have to arrive at. For example, raw material. Raw material actually you have to go by the raw material consumption. So 5 lakh. So 5 lakh is a units. You have to buy the raw material. So what is the date is 36 days. So 36 days divided by 360 is 50,000 is the money blocked in raw material. First step. Second step, stock in process. For the stock in process, we have to calculate with reference to cost of production, not with the materials. So what is the cost of production? 8 lakhs 40,000 into 18 into 360 equal to 43,750 is the second amount blocked in the stock in process. Third thing is finished goods. 15 days into 360, 8 lakhs 75 again cost of production. 15 days. Here's the 15 days. 15 into 360, 36,458 amount again blocked here. Then book dates 8 lakhs sound again cost of production, only no sales to be taken, only cost of production. So 8 lakhs 70,000 into 45 by 360 equal to 1,09,375. Okay. So total gross working capital, gross assets, current assets is 2,39,583. We are arrived at. This is the total requirement for a unit. But out of this, Sunday creditors, how much they finance? They are financing, they are giving credit, no, trade credit. So how much they are giving? 5 lakhs into 60 by 360, 60 days they are giving. So 5 lakhs you have to again raw materials, not the cost of production, raw material, because they are supplies of raw materials. So Sunday creditors for 60 days. So 83,333, they are giving the credit, you are receiving the credit from them. To that extent you are free. To that extent you need not arrange your funds, because it is taken care of. After total like 2,13,583, to that extent 83,330 is taken care of by your suppliers of raw materials. Got the point? So again, wages. So what the total wages is in a year? 2 lakhs. But it is a lag is you need deferment is only 1 month. So divided by 12 equal to 16,666. Roughly you are getting 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the total current liabilities. 1 lakh total relief you are getting from your creditors from postponing the wages. So it comes to 1 lakh. So what is the net working capital here? 1 lakh 39,583 is the total requirement. Okay. Then again they are saying add cash. They want 25,000 cash emergency. They add 25,000. So 1 lakh 64,583 is your total requirement excluding bank finance. Got the point? So 1 lakh 64,583 is the total working capital requirement you need to have finance to the extent of 1 lakh 64,583, excluding bank finance. If you go to bank with this figure, they will ask you how much you are going to bring in. How much you are going to bring in. So 1 lakh 64,000, something like that, of which they say you bring 25,000. 20%, they bring 20%. So it comes around 30,000-40,000. So you have to reduce, you have to bring 40,000 in as your contribution. Then what the bank will give? 1,64,000. Sorry, 1,24,000. So total requirement is 1,64,000, excluding bank finance. So you are bringing your margin of 40,000. Okay. Then what the bank will give? 1,25,000 roughly. So this is how you have to work it out. So you have to be very careful in giving the figures, correct figures accurately, so that bank will assess and give you the sanctions. Or else, by if your bank is not, you can borrow from your friends and relatives, but be careful because interest cost is very high from outside. Even trade credit also interest cost is a bit more. So try to take bank credit as far as possible, because cheapest finance available from bank is from bank only. So especially government bank, they are charging very less, and you can stand to benefit. I hope you got the point from me. Till you meet again, friends. Wish you all the best and God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.